In this video, I'm going to show you how we use the Selligate platform to improve e-commerce businesses. To get started, we'll just click on Get Started now. This is the page for merchants registration. They put in their first name, their last name, their email, phone number, their password, and repeat the password. Then register an account. Once you register an account, you're automatically logged in. You already have an account, you come here, click on already have an account, log in. Once you are logged in, the first thing you see is your dashboard. Under the product area, you have product lists, stock history, and stock edit. Now, if you click on product list, you have a list of all the product they have with us on Selligate, and you can add a new product here. You click on add product, product name. This product, let's say, is selling for 1,000 naira. Available stock, 100 pieces. And then we choose a file, feature the image of the product, and then we add product. The product has been added. So if we go back to look at the product list, is here. Moving on, we have the distributors area. Under the distributors area, we have a distributors list. You can request for a distributor. You can add stock to your distributor. You can move stock from one distributor to another. So let's say you want to request for a distributor. All you need to do is to click on distributor. So we have the distributor name, the points, address, and the action. Each distributor has points. As they successfully deliver product, we have points added to them, and this point adds up over time. We have our agent in Aba who has done a lot of deliveries and has 249 points. Let's say I want to move stock from one distributor to another. So distributor from, this is the distributor I'm moving the stock from. Let's say I want to move the stock from Port Harcourt. Then I'll select the products and then the quantity of the stock I'm moving. Let's say I'm moving 10. And then I'll select the distributor I'm moving the product to. Let's say I'm moving the product to Uyo in Akwa Ibom. And I'll click on Move Stock. The next thing you want to look at is customer orders. You can assign orders. You can get orders, monitor orders from our API. You can look at completed orders. You can also look at pending orders. So let's say we want to look at pending orders. These are orders that are still pending. On this list, you get to see the products, the distributor, the customer name, the unit, the order, the total amount, the date, and the days, the customer phone number, and feedback from the distributor. With this list, the merchants can easily reach out to them to recover this lost sale because these are all pending orders that can still be delivered. Under customer orders, we also have completed orders, which is a list of orders we've completed, successfully delivered. Under customer orders, you can also assign orders. If a merchant has an order for a product in, let's say, Lagos, you can assign that order to a distributor. So you come here, select a distributor, let's say in Ikeja, Lagos. You select the product, the quantity of the product, the amount, customer name, say mark, customer email, customer state, customer city, customer address, order necessary details, and then place an order. Once you place an order, the distributor in Oba Ikeja immediately gets the notification that they have an order to deliver. Under customer orders, you can also see orders from our API. Let's say a merchant has a big e-commerce store that does millions of deliveries every month. They will need a dedicated API to use for their business, so they can see the orders from their API here. So let's move over to my wallet. Under the wallet area, you're going to see your wallet and your wallet analysis. Under wallet, you get to see your pending wallets, your available wallets, and then you see your withdrawal history. So you can click here to make a withdrawal, and the withdrawal will be processed and sent to the bank account details attached to a merchant's account. Down here, you can see your withdrawal history, which is this. You can also view your wallet analysis. This is going to show you your wallet history, how money came in and how money left. Support. Over time, we've noticed our best channel of communicating with customers and delivering support is WhatsApp. All they need to do is to click here and they can send us a message on WhatsApp. That will be all. So let's say we want to log out, we'll just come here, click on log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes.